Welcome back to our phonics class. My name is Teacher Luis.
And my name is Teacher Nook.
Today, this is period 16, and we will be reviewing our sounds from set 1 and set 2. Okay, so let's start. This is our set 1. We have, can you please say the sound? Okay, so these are all our set 1 sounds. And our set 2 sounds are Okay, so these are all our set 2 sounds. Okay, do not forget that. But before that, let's do our chant. Okay, so before we will blend our words and sounds, I know that you know all the actions for these letter sounds already, okay? So Teacher Luis will teach you a chant. So it goes like this. First one, touch your nose. So this, you will touch your nose with your finger. Okay, and then next one is nod your head. So this action is nodding your head. Okay. Next is hold your hands up high, like around this level, and then reach into the sky. Right. Then this is your left. If you're facing there, this is your left. So clap your hands to the left. Okay, so you will clap your hands twice. So clap your hands to the left. Clap your hands to the right. Very good. Stomp your feet. Count 1, 2, 3. This is stomping your feet. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. It is fun for you and me. Okay, can we do that? All right, everybody stand up. Stand up. I want everybody to please stand up. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, I hope you're ready there as well. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. Touch your nose. Nod your head. Hold your hands up high. Reach into the sky. Clap your hands to the left. And clap your hands to the right. Stomp your feet. Count 1, 2, 3. It is fun for you and me. Very good. Okay. Please sit down. All right. So we have reviewed these sounds already, these set of sounds. Now Teacher Nook will help us do our wall chart blending and review our set 1 and set 2 sounds.
เด็กๆ คะหลังจากที่เด็กๆ เรียนรู้เสียงมา2เซตนะคะ2เซตมีทั้งหมดอยู่12ตัวอักษรนะคะหรือบวก C กับ K ก็เป็น13ตัวอักษรนะคะทีนี้ทักษะที่สำคัญอีกหนึ่งทักษะที่จะช่วยให้เด็กๆ สามารถอ่านภาษาอังกฤษได้ก็คือการสามารถ blend หรือว่าผสมเสียงในแต่ละเสียงตัวอักษรให้เป็น1คำได้นะคะทีเชอร์คิดว่าเด็กๆ เนี่ยมีทักษะบ้างละวันนี้เราจะมาฝึกเพิ่มเติมนะคะเพื่อให้เด็กๆ เนี่ยคล่องขึ้นนะคะโอเคเราจะเริ่มจากเสียงสระก่อนนะคะ 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 โอเคเราเรียนไปแล้ว3สระนะคะใกล้เคียงกันมากเลยนะคะ and e แต่จริงๆมันคนละเสียงกันนะคะ again 1 2 3 e good job โอเคทีนี้ที่เชอร์จะเริ่มจากเสียงแอะก่อนโดยเอาตัวอักษรไว้ข้างหลัง 1 2 3 am 1 2 3 ram good job 1 2 3 Dam. Okay. And next one, maybe you like it. 1, 2, 3. Ham. 1, 2, 3. Pam.โอเค ทีนี้ขอเปลี่ยนตัวนี้เป็น and then ขอเปลี่ยนนิดนึงนะคะเป็น and and 1, 2, 3 at 1, 2, 3 at 1, 2, 3 go at mat 1, 2, 3 go at sat 1, 2, 3 go at net 1, 2, 3 go at pat good job โอ้โหได้คำต้อง10 กว่าคำแล้วนะคะต่อไปขอเสียงอีกสุดท้ายบ้างนะคะเสียงสุดท้าย 1, 2, 3 it 1, 2, 3 go it pit and it sit โอ้ขอเปลี่ยนตัวด้านหลังบ้างดูซิว่าจะผสมเสียงได้จริงไหมนะคะ1, 2, 3 go it sin it min and the last one it din โอ้โหยอดเยี่ยมมากนะคะแสดงว่าเด็กๆเนี่ยไม่ใช่สามารถจำคำศัพท์ได้นะคะแต่สามารถอ่านได้เองเพราะว่าเห็นไหมคะที่เชอร์เปลี่ยนตัวอักษรเนี่ยตัวไหนเด็กๆก็สามารถเอามาผสมกันแล้วก็อ่านออกมาเป็นคำศัพท์ได้นะคะยอดเยี่ยมมากค่ะโอเคที่เชอร์ what's next
Okay, so we have our interactive blending as well, teacher. So let's review our sounds first before going. I want you to say it by yourselves, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Again, 1, 2,
Louder.
3. Yes, louder. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. Very good. Okay, and then our set 2 sounds are Good job. Very good. Okay. So as you can see here, we have different sets of, we have boxes here, okay? And when I click on the box, there will be letter sounds that will come out. So the first one, when I click it and the letter will come out, please make the sound. All right? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So this one we have. Good job. And then? And then? Very good. Can we say that one? 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. So this is a picture of a pan. So you know that one already. This is a pan. Can we read this one again, please? 1, 2, 3, go.
Pan.
So see, and then you can blend this one with another one. So let's follow the red arrow this time. Okay? So what sound does it make? Again, let's do that one. Very good. And then we have again. Okay, and then we also have letter okay, so So 1, 2, 3, go.
Hand.
Okay, so if we follow the red arrow, we have the hand. Okay, so you can do that one. Okay, let's do pan and hand. Let's do that one. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Go. Very good. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Pan.
And
Hand.
okay, let's clap this time. Let's put our claps together as we say the sound, as we make the sound. Please clap your hands together with the sound. Okay, 1, 2, starting from pan, and then we go to hand. 1, 2, 3, go.
Pan.
And
Hand.
okay, very good. All right, next. Oh, there are a lot of arrows already. So next one, what's that? it's a man. Again, 1, 2. Let's blend them together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Man. And that is a picture of a man standing. Okay? Next, let's try the green one here. And very good. Pet. Okay, so let's blend the sounds together. 1, 2, 3, go.
Pet.
So this is your pet. What is it? Your pet dog. It's your pet dog. Okay, so this is a man and this is the dog. Now let's try to follow the yellow arrow this time. Okay, so you can see here already the words are there already, or sorry, the sounds are there already. Okay, so let's try. 1, 2, 3, go. What is it? Very good. So you were able to make or form the word pen, and this is the picture of your pen. Okay? Let's try to say each word or blend each sound to make the 3 words that we have learned. Okay? So 1, let's start with man, and then pet, and then pen. All right?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Let's clap our hands. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Man.
And then?
Pet.
And then the yellow one. 1, 2, 3, go.
Pen.
Very good. Okay, so you have blended the sounds and you have made 3 words already, and you can read it already. Very good. Next. So there's more. So we have, again, 1, 2, 3, go.
Man.
So that's a man. And then we have
Pet.
okay, so you have your pet. And then the yellow one. Again, 1, 2, 3, go.
Pen.
Pen. And then this time we have a red arrow. And what word does it make? Okay, again, 1, 2. Let's follow the red arrow this time. 1, 2, 3, go.
Mat.
Very good. So that is a mat. So now how many words were you able to form?
4
words already. Okay? So let's do man, pet, pen, and then mat. Are you ready to do that one?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go.
Man.
Next.
Pet.
Next.
Pen.
And the last one?
Mat.
Okay, so those are all your 4 words. So you can blend like this, okay? You can blend sounds all together and make different words. Okay. All right, so our next activity, it's going to be exciting, Teacher Nook.
Yes.
There will be a lot of movements and all, okay? So we will do the next activity is called Phonics Hop, okay? So what we need a mat, and we will be dividing you students into 2 groups. You will work as a group. It's a game, okay? So Teacher Louise will show a picture, and then as you can see here, there are the letter sounds. Can we say the sounds here that you can see? Can we say it? Okay, can we make the sound? Can we make that sound? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so these are all the sounds, and we'll be making words by hopping. All right, so teacher will show you pictures, and then you will hop. For example, teacher will show a picture of Pat. So you will jump, you will hop to at. At the same time, while you're hopping towards the letter, you will also make the sound. So at, pat, like that. Okay? Whoever is able to say the word, finish it, hopping all the 3 sounds, gets a point.
เด็กๆคะเดี๋ยวเราจะมากระโดดกันนะคะเขาเรียกว่า Phonics hopping นะคะการกระโดดโดยใช้เท้า2เท้านะคะกระโดดไปพร้อมกันฟังก่อนนะคะเด็กๆจะยืนตรงจุดนี้นะคะฟังที่เชอร์ก่อนเช่น number one สมมติเปลี่ยนคำใหม่บ้าง number one at sat นะคะก็เริ่มกระโดดจากตรงนี้2เท้านะคะวางปะตรงนี้แล้วก็ตรงนี้นะคะ at sat แต่เวลากระโดดต้องระวังด้วยนะคะอย่าเล่นนะคะกระโดดให้ตรงจุดนะคะอย่าลื่นเดี๋ยวล้มไปนะคะกระโดดให้ตรงจุดแล้วก็2เท้านะคะกระโดดไปพร้อมๆกันเด็กๆพร้อมหรือยังคะโอเคนะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะกระโดดพร้อมกันนะคะต้องฟังด้วยนะคะฟังแล้วก็ทำตามที่เชอร์พูดนะคะโอเค make two lines two groups stand up please
5 for each group, so one group here and the other one is here.
Okay, stand behind. Two more there.
Okay, so now our mats are ready and I hope you're ready too. So are you ready to play?
Yes.
Good job. Okay, so now teacher has the pictures here and then I will show it to you and you listen. When teacher says go, you start to hop. Okay? All right. 1, 2, 3. At. Cat.
Go.
Go.
That's okay. At. Cat.
Very good.
Okay, good job. Okay, make a line behind your
Next.
friends.
Next picture. Wait for my go. Okay, when teacher says go, that's the time you hop. Okay, so next picture. At. Mat.
Go. Okay, don't forget 2 feet.
Yes.
2 feet together.
Hop,
At.
hop. Okay,
Okay,
and don't
good
forget
job.
to produce the sound or make the sound. Okay, next. Okay, next one. Pan. Go.
Okay, good
very
job.
good.
Pan.
Okay.
And then let's
then-
try again.
Okay, one more time. Sound. Okay, the picture is this one. At. Cat. Go. Very good, Asi.
Okay, good
Okay.
job. Go.
Next. 1, 2, 3, go. At. Mat. Go. Very good, mat.
Okay, teacher, and now we have the new set of the mat. Is the sound. เมื่อกี้นะคะเราฝึกเสียงไปแล้วนะคะ ตอนนี้เป็นบ้างนะคะ เสียงใกล้เคียงกันมากแต่ไม่เหมือนกันนะคะ and and again and โอเค เดี๋ยวเราจะลองฟังแล้วก็กระโดดไปพร้อมกันนะคะ Thank you.
Okay, so both are new mats already with the sound okay, the sound, all right? Now, here are the pictures and get ready now. Wait for teachers go, okay? So the first picture is 10. 10. Go. Good job.
Good job.
Okay, next. Right. Next one. Hen. Hen. Go. Good job. Very
Okay.
good. Then, next one. Pen. Pen. Go.
Very
Very
good.
good.
Okay, we will go back again.
All right.
Review the sound.
So this one is 10. Go. Good job.
The last
The
word.
last word, okay? So we have hen. Go.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay, and then we have the last activity งานสุดท้ายนะคะสำหรับการเรียนผสมเสียงในคาบนี้นะคะคือการที่เด็กๆจะต้องฟังทิเชอร์นะคะแล้วเราจะเขียนคำศัพท์ออกมานะคะคำศัพท์หนึ่งคำมีตัวอักษรอยู่3ตัวเหมือนเมื่อกี้ที่เราฝึกไปนะคะเช่น cat cat คำที่1 number one cat cat นะคะไม่ยากนะคะเด็กๆเตรียมสมุดเตรียมดินสอยังลบขึ้นมาเลยนะคะโอเคเดี๋ยวเราจะกลับไปนั่งที่โต๊ะนะคะแล้วก็ทำงานพร้อมกันนะคะโอเค let's go โอเคเด็กๆคะตอนนี้สมุดพร้อมแล้วนะคะกระดาษพร้อมแล้วนะคะ write number 1 to number 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 and listen to teacher นะคะ1 ถึง 8 นะคะวันนี้เราเขียนคำศัพท์ 8 คำนะคะ
Okay, so I will dictate the words or the sounds twice. You have to listen very carefully. Okay? And I will show you the picture and you can look at the picture as well. Okay? So the first one is listen. Hand. Hand. Okay, so that was our number 1. Number 2. Number 2. Pen. Pen. Number 3. Number 3. Pig. 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 Number 4. Number 4. Pin. Pin. Number 5. Number 5. Man. Man. Number 6. Number 6. Cat. Cat. Number 7. Number 7. Mat. Mat. And our last number, number 8. Pan. Pan. Okay, this time, since we are finished writing our words there, I want you to read each word from number 1 until number 8. Okay, can we do that one? Can we read each word?
Yes.
Can we read each word? Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's read. Number 1 first until number 8. Okay, number 1. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hen.
Number 2.
Louder, please. Pen.
Very good. Number 3.
Pig.
Good job. Number 4.
Pin.
Very good. 5.
Man.
Very good. And then what about number 6?
Cat.
Great. And then 7.
Mat.
And our last number is, what is it? Number 8, what is it?
Pan.
Again, I want you to do number 8 again. 1, 2, 3, go.
Pan.
Good job. Okay. So this time, please give back your paper.
Sit down, please.
And let's review the words that we have blended a while ago, okay? So teacher will point to each letter and you make the sound, all right? Let's do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Man.
Oh, I want to hear you more. Make your voice louder, okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
Man.
Very good. And then we have 1, 2, 3, go.
Pet.
Okay, and then we have.
Pen.
Okay, I want you to repeat letter P. Say it again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Pen.
Very good. And then we have our.
Mat.
Very good. Okay, so today we have reviewed our set 1 and set 2 sounds. Okay, very good. Good job. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Teacher Nook and Teacher Louis.
Okay, thank you. Let's say goodbye to our friends.
Goodbye.
Bye.